For over a decade, grocery store shelves have seen a surge of clean label products, and the salad kits category isn't just hungry, it's starving for innovation. Time for a refresh. Little Gems salad kits from Church Brothers Farms. We are making a clean break from the past with premium, whole Little Gem leaves. This isn't just a kit, it's an upgrade. We've swapped out seed oils for heart-healthy avocado oil, the #1 oil Americans trust.
I love the texture and it's so fresh. Flavor is fantastic. I meal prep a lot. It all comes in one kit, makes it super easy.
With chef-crafted flavors like miso ginger, champagne, Caesar, and creamy chipotle, we deliver the craveability shoppers want without the overly processed ingredients they don't. Little Gems salad kits. No more chopped compromises. Just fresh, whole, clean innovation that's finally caught up to your cart. Church Brothers Farms. Better leaves, better for you.